and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can basically edit your pie chart on Google Docs. It is actually super simple to edit your pie chart. For instance, you already have a pie chart here. Select it. As you can see, you can't really edit it here, but you have to just select it. Select link chart options and then open source. And here's basically where you can kind of edit your pie chart. So here, I think I do have to go to the link table one as well so that I can change it. Yeah, I have to go to the link table one so that I can change the actual numbers. For instance, the quantity is different, so I'm just going to do that. And then 30, 20. Go back to the document and then just select update here and then select update here again, and it will change. That's it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!